Now.
Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick.
It's your girl Natalie.
Back with another vlog.
Another challenge.
This is her channel, so I'm gonna let her explain.
I don't know. I was just walking around Dollar Tree and I just seen like these little toys and you have to put them together.
Dollar Tree,
Dollar Tree. So I figured, why not create a challenge about who can put it together the fastest? So it looks really simple. So I guess we'll see.
Yeah. 14 pieces. Real simple.
Yeah, so I guess that's the name of the game. Hey! You move way too fast. Who could put together the airplane the fastest? So, but before we begin our challenge,
Thanks to everybody who wished me happy birthday on the last vlog. Really appreciate it.
nice couple days. Yeah. Before you do anything, please like the video
Comment and share.
and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that.
Notification bell.
That's right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this build your own. Who can build it the fastest? Alright, so let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, wait. Ready?
Oh, we're gonna take them out. We're gonna start?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. The hell? How did you snap on?
Oh, you gotta twist it. You see how you got the little groove?
Yeah. Oh, just got to twist it. No, it broke. Yeah.
I won. We finished.
Is that your inner child coming out of you?
Yeah.
So there you have it, you guys. Rick won this round. He built the little airplane the fastest. Did I do that wrong? Or should I have snapped it? Done! Alright, so there you have it.
Made up challenge.
Oh, whatever. He's over here bragging because he won. Whatever. You guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like,
Now.
subscribe, comment, share.
Make sure y'all hit that little bell.
Hit-
Notification.
Hit that little bell, and we will will catch you in our next video. Thanks, guys. Peace.
Yeah.